Hey guys, Tom here, America's favorite hoarder. I am still in my yard. I had closed up my shed and I noticed my little fire is still burning. Trying to burn out these tree stumps. I can't see very much because it is dark outside. It is getting dark outside. No one could tell. But beautiful fire. Fire. It is lovely, isn't it? Something about bonfires and burning. Burning? Yes. Treated wood. I found some wood in the front of the yard which I had torn apart and decided to get rid of. It was old and rotted, and there it is, serving its second life in my bonfire, trying to burn out my root. So that's all for now. I'm gonna go in the house and have something to eat. Hopefully in the morning, most of these leaves and branches and roots will be gone. Thanks for watching. Keep hoarding. Bye bye. I hate to leave. This is mesmerizing.